Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can recover old Instagram Reels, so let's get right into it. Now, I'll be explaining two different situations. One is where you're searching for your own Reels, which you might have posted before, and another one is if you're searching for Reels you've saved or seen in the past and want to see again. Now, for your own Reels, what you're going to need to do is you're going to go into your profile and go into the top right settings menu. Then here you can go into the archive and you can search through the archive for any archived stories, any archived Reels. And I'm not sure where the Reels go if they're archived themselves, because this archive usually is only for the stories. However, if you can find them, you can very easily access the archive and then later on search for your old Reels that way. Now, usually they'll still stay on your account. However, you will need to make them public for your followers again, and that's pretty much what the archive serves for. So you can just go through your profile menu, just go into Reels and search for Reels that way. Other than that, if you're looking for Reels of other users, you can go again to settings and activity and then go into the saved. If you've saved those Reels, they will be located here. If they're not, then most likely the original poster took them down. You can also go into your activity and go through your likes and comments, see if you have those Reels there, and search through all of your likes and comments, which does include other things such as posts and other things, so it won't be as easy to locate them, especially if they're really old. But if you have enough time on your hands, you can definitely go through them and search for the Reels that you want. Other than that, you can go all the way down in this menu and click on download your information. You can put in a download request for Instagram, and after a couple of days they will send you a link with the archive that you requested, and that will enable you to see if you've interacted with any Reels in the past once you search through that data. You can also, of course, go to the archive here. This is where your archived Reels are, so just click here in the stories archive and you'll see the post archive. Your Reels will be there. I'm pretty sure that's the same as this archive as well. Yeah, as you can see, you can change through stories and posts and everything of the sort. But other than that, there's not much else to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.